Hello people, today I'm going to show you how you can remove vocals from any song and also separate instrumental part of it very easily using AI. And in this video I'm going to show you how to do it for free because they are mostly online paid tools which are not worth paying for, and they are asking for every single thing. They're asking for money out there, and I'm pretty sure you don't want to pay for it. So let's just get it for free. So first of all, there's this website that we're going to go to. One second. First of all, we're going to head over to our desktop, and there's this website that we'll go to, which is Internet Download Manager. So we are going to install Internet Download Manager from this website. They give you a free 30-day trial and you can get it instantly, and your downloads are much faster than any other place that you'll get it. So now get the 30-day free trial and head over to this website which I've opened right here. This is lal.ar. Now you're going to sign up over here, log in directly first. They'll give you 10 minutes. Do not use your temporary email because they don't allow that. Now create an email randomly. They'll give you 10 minutes if you say a starter account. Now what you're going to do is you're going to select vocal and instrumental, and whatever you want to separate you can do that. Vocal and instrumental. After that you're going to click on select files. I have already selected a music song over here that I want to separate the lyrics and instrument for. So I'm going to go ahead and click on that. I already have the Internet Download Manager extension with me, so it's enabled in the background. Make sure it is enabled over here, right here. And do not toggle it. It needs to be background. It needs to be there in the background. Now let's try playing it. We'll just head over to the instrument part. Alright, so now what we're going to do is we're going to process the entire file. And they're going to process the entire file. They'll start splitting the vocals and instrumental. That's only the one I care about here. Now will be the crucial step of the process. On this page itself, they will give you both the files, and then you're going to see a download audio from this page button. Wait for a few seconds until they say that your audio is ready. They will cut 3 minutes. As you can see, it's 6:51 now. They have already computed it, and it's a 4.32 MB vocal and 4.32 MB instrumental music separation. Then what you're going to do is pretty simple. Do not click on get split files at all, because then they'll ask for money. So what you're going to do is click on download audio from this page. You'll see 4 files over here, which are, one is 1 MB, other one is 1 MB, and other 2 are 4.31 MB. So the biggest one is what you want. As you can see, the full file is 4.32 MB, which is the closest. When you see the splitting completed option over there, you're going to click on that, and you're going to see download option over here. Click on that, and our first file is downloaded. On the second file, you click on here, and then click on download. And just like that, our music is separated and is downloaded over here. So what you're going to do is start playing it first. Let's test this. As you can see, the music is totally separated now. If you see to the vocals, So vocals and instrument both are separated now very easily. Even it's quite complicated if you do it in Adobe Audition and any other softwares. Now it is possible using AI, and that too very easily. This is the ultimate method that I've come up with. And you can also pay for voices and all. There are many Android apps that do this, but they are still paid. I have tested all the apps, and as far as I've seen, there are no cracks for any other apps. If you can see, this is a thing that you can use, and if you want to separate vocals from the whole song, and if you want to also remove noise, you can use this. I'm going to make a video on that too sooner or later. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. That was the tutorial for this video. See you later.